How to take a screenshot. Simply press the print screen button on your keyboard. Notice how nothing happened? Let's go to Paint and check what's on our clipboard. After Paint opens, let's hit Control and the V key. After we do that, now we see our screenshot. If you would like to save this picture, just simply go to File, Save As, choose your selected picture format, then determine where you would like to save your picture, and give it a nice name. Now that we've saved it, now we can reopen our screenshot. And verify it's working. Let me know what you want to learn next.